This here is the Mini Stealth Fighter. So I just recently finished building this airplane about like 40 minutes ago, and all I can tell you, it turned out pretty sweet. So there you go, here's how it looks. So I made this airplane out of roughly one full sheet of foam board. There you go. And I also painted it black to give it this really cool look to it, like right over here. Looks pretty sleek. So for the electronics, I've got these 3-gram servos on the side to control the elevons. I've got this 10 amp ESC right in there. It's only 2S capable though. I've got this 10-gram motor spinning this propeller in the back. I don't even know what kind of size that is, but it's a 10-gram motor. Let's see what else. I've got an orange RX receiver in there, and to power everything I got a 2S 1000 milliamp LiPo battery right in front of the nose. I have no clue how this airplane would fly with the battery because I never flew it before. Although I'm thinking it's a little too heavy for this airplane, but oh well. It's the only battery I had that would balance this airplane out in the front. So here's the rest of the airplane in all its glory before I crash it. There you go, it looks really sick, and we're gonna fly. I didn't really get so much flight video out of this setup because it was so underpowered. Even though I had kept it at full throttle, it still wouldn't climb. So I decided to do something else about it. Alright, so this is the Stealth Fighter version 2. I decided to upgrade a few things to it since version 1 was a little underpowered. So what I first did was I upgraded the brushless Iron motor in the back. It's a 5100 kV. I got this off my Blade MSRX, and it should provide a lot more power for this airplane. I also upgraded the ESC to a 15 amp since the original one couldn't handle the power this one was drawing. So it should have a lot more power and should be a lot more faster. The only way to find out is to test it, so let's give it a try. It's a little breezy out here today. Let me just trim this out a little bit. Oh wow. This airplane surely does fly a lot better than the original setup. It has a lot more power and the controls are really responsive. Throughout this whole entire flight, I ended up flying the airplane for more than 10 minutes, which was really good for this airplane. Later on in the future, I'll most likely build another one of these airplanes, but just a little bit bigger, out of some insulation foam or something like that, because I really do enjoy the looks of this small airplane and the unique flight characteristics. I have some basic specs at the end of this video, just in case anybody would be interested in building one of these. Landing this thing.